Fall is almost starting, so you surely will want some cozy drinks, such as the Apple Crisp Macchiato. This drink is made with homemade apple syrup and a great mix of cinnamon, caramel, and of course, some fresh apples. It's great for those reading afternoons or a nice movie night in the evening. Hello everyone and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. As I said, today we're making an Apple Crisp Macchiato. Think about this, Starbucks in your home. What could you possibly want more than this, right? But as always, before we begin, please be sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap that notification bell. And of course, let's get straight into the cooking. We are first going to prepare the apple cider syrup. So, using a small saucepan, let's combine 1 1/4 cup of apple cider along with 1/2 cup of dark brown sugar, a decent amount of filtered water, 1 full Granny Smith apple completely diced, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Mix all those ingredients in, then let the mixture reach boiling point. And once you see those bubbles start appearing, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Now let the mixture simmer until the apples get very tender, which should take about 15 minutes. It's good to have a nice amount of filtered water in this mixture so that the apples are able to absorb all that spice liquid really well. I should also point out that you can use other varieties of apples, but it is recommended that you use the ones in the tart category so that the apple syrup does not become too sweet. Once the apples have reached that peak tender that we want, let the mixture steep for about 15 minutes to really let the apples soak all that flavor coming from the liquid. Then once the time has passed, use a fine mesh strainer to strain all the syrup from the saucepan, and using a wooden spatula, press well on the apples to release all the juices inside them. Please, leave no liquid behind. Then let's place the liquid on an airtight container and refrigerate it until it gets nicely cold. Now we will start the assembling part, guys, where we will feel like a true Starbucks barista and make our very own Apple Crisp Macchiato. Using a tall glass, add between 3 to 4 tablespoons of the apple cider syrup, along with a good amount of ice cubes. Then add 1 cup of cold milk and 2 shots of slightly cooled espresso. To finalize, drizzle the top with caramel sauce and dust some ground cinnamon for that extra fall flavor we are looking for. Then stir everything with your straw of choice, sip and enjoy. Before I let you go, I would also like to point out that if you're like me and you like your drinks hot or nicely warm, you can turn this recipe into one. All you have to do is use the apple syrup warm, so do not cool it off, and add the warm milk instead of cold, and do the same with the espresso shots. Now, best believe you'll feel even more cozy. If you'd like to view all the steps again, be sure to check the description box or head to our website at cozymeal.com/recipes to find more cozy drinks to start the fall season the best way possible. Also, do not forget to leave a like on this video and share this recipe with your friends and family. I'm sure they would also appreciate a nice flavorful coffee after a long day of work. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again cook along with us in our next video recipe.